Can a single machine make any frozen drink you want and ice cream? Plus, what's Dracula's favorite fruit? Second one's easy. Nectarines. It's Canoly for sponsoring this video and sending over the slushie. If you would have told 10-year-old me that I could have a machine in my house to make Slurpees on demand and soft serve ice cream, I would have lost it. It's really nice, doesn't take up too much counter space because it's just tall and skinny, has a touch screen and multiple modes. To demonstrate the first of the 2-in-1 features, I'm going to make myself a frozen strawberry lemonade. And it's really easy. All I need is this bottle of strawberry lemonade. That's it. We're gonna pour it in there and push a button. This thing will hold up to 72 ounces of liquid. So you could make a lot of drinks. Or you could just spill it on yourself. This was 52 ounces. It's probably like 51 now. The only requirement to make this work is liquids with at least 4% sugar. Why? Because if it doesn't have that, it's just going to either not freeze or freeze into a solid block. It's just physics. This unit is really nice and slick. It is touchscreen, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And then you have a couple of options. Ice cream, designed for soft ice cream. Slush and frappe, designed for cola, sports beverages, and lemonade. Spike Slush is designed for beverages with alcohol. Milkshake for dairy and creamier beverages. Frozen juice, naturally sweetened beverages. So for lemonade, we are going to use the slush/frappe. Literally, that's it. Turn it on and wait. Now, if you want your slush stuff to slush quicker, make sure it is cold when you put it in the machine. I'll see you guys in a little bit when this thing is ready. And there you go. It's only been 30 minutes and this thing is ready. All you need to do is grab your handle. Strawberry lemonade slush. I mean, sucker's pretty thick. You can adjust the thickness of the drink with this button by going up and down on the cold setting. If your drink is too thick and you want it thinner, more of a sippable drink, lower the temperature. If you want it thicker, like this, and more of a frozen margarita style drink, move it to the right. You can kind of dial in your drink however you like it. Oh, that was refreshing. I live in Florida. It gets really hot. This on a hot day, that's a win. Let's say you've made your drinks and you still have leftover. What do? You just leave it in the machine. It can go like this for up to 12 hours with no problems. And if you really need to leave it for a long time, you could put it into night mode. Night mode kind of lowers everything and lets you just run it overnight without damaging anything. And then you can just set it back to your setting in the morning, slush again. Once you have dispensed everything you want, go ahead and grab yourself some warm water. Put it on rinse mode. That is going to keep it spinning, but not turn on the chiller. And then right after you put it in, go ahead and take it out. It's gonna come out quick. Be ready for that. Do this a couple times until you notice that there is nothing stuck on the rotating condenser. Now that the unit is rinsed out, I can go ahead and show you around it a little bit. On the side here is a lever. If you push it forward, you can slide the entire piece forward, and this is your dispensing unit. This can go in the dishwasher, or you can hand wash it, however you like. Not very difficult to clean. Pull this off, and this can be cleaned. This is the little auger that moves things around. This, you just wipe with a cloth after you go through your rinse mode. It also has a condensation thing that grabs condensation. Just take this and dump it every once in a while. This guy just slides on over here, and it'll only kind of go on the one way. This guy slides right to the top. You grab your little handle, pull it back, and you're good to go. That's it. You also have a little catch can. This thing is just 2-piece, easy to wash. Let's make some ice cream. I'm gonna make a traditional vanilla ice cream using the recipe that came in this cool little recipe book. In here, we've got all kinds of recipes, everything from the soda slush to a frozen mimosa, tropical juice, vanilla ice cream, chocolate ice cream, milkshakes, all kinds of stuff. For this, you need to grab yourself a bowl and a whisk. I'm using the recipe for 2 to 3 servings. So I've got 1/3 a cup of whole milk, cold, 2/3 a cup of double cream. We use heavy cream here, so it's very similar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Now you just want to whisk this until the sugar is all dissolved and everything's nice and mixed. Now you're going to carefully pour this in here. We're going to turn it on and we're going to hit the button for ice cream. Now we wait. I'll see you guys in a little bit. And there you go. About 30 minutes later, we are ready for some ice cream. It comes with this cool little thing which you can put on the bottom, little star attachment, which helps make the ice cream look a little fancier when you dispense it. I did end up doubling the recipe because I wanted more ice cream. That was a little bit thin for my liking, so I popped it up 2 levels and we're gonna get it a little bit thicker. After going up a couple levels on the machine, I am at still like a really thick milkshake. Canoly suggests putting this in the freezer to let it firm up. And there you go. After a few minutes in the freezer, soft serve. It's absolutely delicious. If I were to do this, I would make it and then just stick it in the freezer and keep it in the freezer, and it'd be amazing. So that's the Canoly 2-in-1 slushie machine. It kills it on the frozen drinks, slushies, fraps, milkshakes. I've made them all and they all come out really good. For the ice cream, it's a make and freeze scenario. It came out best when I did that. If you're interested in picking one up, link in the description with a code to save you some money. So, with all that out of the way, I guess there's only one question left to answer. Why was the ice cream bad at tennis? Because it had a soft serve. Yeah, pretty bad. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes. Make some fantastic frozen drinks with the Canoly 2-in-1 slushie machine. But one thing Dad will never do is an outro. So that's it. Bye. This is the part where I thank all of my members. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for your support and rock on. I don't know why I said rock on, but rock on.